In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Slack. Whether you're using Slack for work, personal projects, or just keeping up with communities, knowing how to properly log out is a handy skill, especially if you're switching between multiple workspaces or using shared devices. So let's dive right in. To begin, you need to head over to the Slack website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Slack, which is simply slack.com. This will take you to the main page of Slack, where you can manage your work and productivity tools efficiently. Once you're on the page, the next step to focus on is signing in. Slack makes this process seamless by allowing you to use your Google credentials if you're already associated with a Google account. So just look for the Sign in with Google option and click on it. This option is particularly convenient as it streamlines your sign-in process and keeps your data synchronized across platforms without the hassle of remembering another password. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is where you'll see all your work channels, direct messages, and any other apps you've integrated within Slack. It's like the hub of your digital workspace. Here you'll navigate to your profile, where you'll find your profile picture, name, and other personal settings. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. It may be a photo, your initials, or a generic avatar if you haven't set a picture. Click on this to open a drop-down menu where you can access various settings related to your account and workspace. Now, one of the options you'll see in this menu is Sign Out. Click on Sign Out to begin the process of logging out. Doing this is essential for privacy and security, especially if you are on a shared device or computer. It ensures that nobody else can access your messages or files once you've stepped away. And that's pretty much it. You've now successfully logged out of Slack. Remember, staying logged in on personal devices is generally fine, but logging out is a best practice in shared environments. It not only protects your information, but also helps to alleviate any unintended changes from others. That wraps up today's tutorial. Hopefully you found this guide clear and helpful in understanding how to log out of Slack effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks that make navigating digital workspaces easy and smooth. See you next time.